Je la chéris, mythique et pluriel.
I really enjoy the people here. It's great atmosphere. Here in China, in Guizhou, it's football, but it's also culture. It's the culture and football mixed together. A lot of traditions. I think it's great. Yeah, you can learn a lot about China with football here.
2023年5月以来呢，我们已经举办了400多场这个展演，共展演了600多个民族文艺节目。
我知道村上已经很久了，一直都很想来，但是今天终于有机会来到我们的现场，去感受这个激烈的氛围，真的非常非常的激动。
So I have a history here in Rongjiang, and I grew up in Liubaitang Cun, in Liubaitang village. It's not just the football that attracts people, but also the minority cultures, the different aspects of the culture, like the clothing, the singing, dancing, all those things attract people. Football is a universal language, so anybody who plays football will enjoy the Village Super League. And anybody who enjoys the Village Super League will probably enjoy football anywhere else, especially those that play. And I think football is something that can bring many people together. And the Village Super League is special because it's a place to showcase culture, to showcase the culture, the Chinese culture, the minority culture. And that's what makes the Village Super League special, I think.